In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Retool for beginners. To get started, go to Retool in your web browser. If you're completely new to the platform, this is where everything begins. Retool is designed to help you build internal tools and apps more quickly. So the first goal is simply getting into the workspace and becoming familiar with what you see on screen. After signing up, you'll arrive at the main onboarding area. This is where Retool starts guiding you toward building something right away. Well, if you're a beginner, this is helpful because instead of starting from a blank and confusing interface, you're given a few clear ways to begin. One of the first things you'll notice is a prompt box. This is where you can type a prompt describing what you want to build. In simple terms, you're telling Retool what kind of app or workflow you want, and it can use that input to help generate a starting point. When writing your prompt, try to be clear and specific so the result is closer to what you need. If you're not sure what to type, you can try a starter prompt instead. This is a great option for beginners because it removes the pressure of coming up with your own idea right away. Starter prompts can give you a quick example of how Retool structures an app and what kinds of things it can create. Another option you may see is the ability to import React code. This is more useful if you already have existing code and want to bring it into Retool. If you're just learning, you don't necessarily need to use this right away, but it's good to know the option is there. You can also get started by creating an app directly. This is a practical path for beginners because it takes you into the actual app building flow. On the Get Started screen, continue by selecting the option to create something new. From there, click on App. This tells Retool that you want to build a standard application, which is usually the most common choice when you're beginning and just want to explore the platform. Once you're inside the app creation flow, you'll again have a few starting options. You can try a starter prompt, which is useful if you want guided help. You can connect your data, which is the right choice if your app needs to work with information from a database or another service. Or, if you already have development work prepared, you can import React code. For beginners, the best approach is usually to start simple, choose the option that feels most familiar, and explore from there. The key is just getting your first app started so you can learn the interface by doing,